Are you trying to choose between Chase and Monzo? It can be tough to decide. Both banks offer unique features that can help with your finances. In this video, we'll compare them side by side. Chase is a traditional bank with a long history. It offers a wide range of services, including checking and savings accounts, credit cards, and loans. They have physical branches, which can be convenient for some people. On the other hand, Monzo is a digital bank that focuses on mobile banking. It started in the UK and has gained popularity for its user friendly app. Monzo is all about keeping banking simple and accessible. Both Chase and Monzo help you manage your money, but they do it in different ways. Chase has a more classic approach, while Monzo uses technology to streamline your banking experience. Chase is known for its rewards programs and extensive ATM network. You can earn points on your purchases and access cash easily. Monzo, however, offers features like instant notifications for spending and budgeting tools that help you track your expenses. When it comes to pricing, Chess may have monthly fees, but these can often be waived with certain account activities. Monzo typically has no monthly fees, making it an attractive option for those looking to save money. So, who should choose what? If you prefer a full service bank with physical locations, Chess might be for you. But if you want a modern, easy to use banking app, Monzo is a great choice. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.